Pets play an incredibly important role in our lives, bringing us joy, companionship, and a sense of purpose. Here are some of the ways that pets enrich our lives. When you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, their presence can be a calming influence, helping to ease the burden and bring a sense of peace. 1. Companionship. 2. Stress relief. 3. Health benefits. 4. Social connection. 5. Sense of purpose. Overall, pets are an important part of many people's lives, providing love, companionship, and countless other benefits.